In this video, we will learn about define transfer tax. First, we'll go to the configuration section and click on define transfer tax. When the interface opens, we'll see the charges transfer tax manage screen. Any transfer tax we configure will be shown in a table here. The purpose of defining transfer tax in a housing society management system is to accurately track and manage taxes associated with property transfers, ensuring transparency, compliance, and efficient financial management. To add a new tax, click on the Add Tax button. The form that appears will have this type of interface. This form has 3 sections. The first is a transfer tax on seller, the second is transfer tax on purchaser, and the third one is add square yard rate. In the first section, transfer tax on seller, we'll find 2 input fields. In the first field, we'll add the filer rate %, and in the second field, we'll add the non-filer rate % according to the transfer tax on the seller. After completing this section, we move to the second section, transfer tax on purchaser, where we again find 2 input fields. Here, we'll input the filer rate % in the first field and the non-filer rate % in the second field according to the transfer tax on the purchaser. Next, in the third section, square yard rate, we'll find 3 input fields. The first field is for the per square yard rate, where we'll input the rate, then we'll input the square yard %, and finally, we'll specify the effective date in the next field. If necessary, you can change the effective date. To submit the form, click on the Save button. Once submitted, the transfer tax will be added to the table on the Manage screen displaying 8 columns. All the entered data will be shown in this table. If you wish to edit a transfer tax, you can do so using the button provided in the Action column.